Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Abhijit, and you are watching Prep India Change the Learning Way. This is a prelims booster sessions. This is for UPSC exam special. That means this is designed especially for the UPSC exams. Not only for UPSC but also for the all competitive exams like BPSC, UPPCS, SSC, Railway, and etc. exams. So, these sessions will be based on the newspaper like The Hindu, Indian Express, as well as PIB News and magazines. So, without delay, starts the sessions. Okay, so we will going to start. First of all, we learn about the 26th July Kargil Vijay Divas. That means the Kargil Vijay Divas. Okay, so which is a very important for the prelims also. So 26th July, that means the 26th July 1999, the day commemorates the success of Operation Vijay. Okay, so first of all, the Operation Vijay launched on 26th July 1999. So by the Indian Army to recapture the Indian terrorists from Pakistani introduced the territories from Pakistani introduced the Kargil's Drash sectors 1919. Okay, so what's here given? The given is here that the Operation Vijay launched by the Indian Army to recapture the Indian territories from Pakistani introduced the Kargil Drash sector in 1919. 1999. Okay, so now the what's the next? So here is the remember for the Operation Vijay on the 26th July 1999 and by the Indian Army. Okay, so this Kargil war between the two countries, India and Pakistan, where the Indian troops and Pakistani troops had fight. So what's the next? That means the background of Kargil war. Okay, so background of Kargil war, that means the Kargil war, okay, took place despite the two nations signing the Simla agreement that state. So here what's the important point is here that the Simla agreement, okay, so Simla agreement between India and Pakistan. Okay, so the Kargil war took place despite the two nations signing Simla agreement state that no armed conflict, no armed conflicts shall take place on the said boundary. Okay, so the Indian and Pakistani armies fought the Kargil war in May, July 1999 in Kargil districts of Kashmir and elsewhere along the line of control (LOC). This is called the line of control. So this Kargil war, also known as the Kargil conflict. Okay, Kargil conflict. So this what is known as the Kargil conflict. The code name, that means the Safed Sagar, the Indian Air Force operation, was a major part of the Kargil war. So here is the important, that means the code name, that means the Safed Sagar. Safed Sagar is the code name, that means by the Indian Air Force. Okay, so it was a major part of the Kargil war. So it's also known as the Operation White Sea. Operation White Sea, that means the Safed Sagar. Okay, so this was the total conversations about the Kargil war. Now the next topic we will discuss about that the Nag river. Okay, so Nag river. So why importance Nag river? Because of the recently Bombay High Court said industrializations has reduced. Okay, so what's the industrializations has reduced? That means the urbanizations also. Okay, so Nag river to a cursed lady. According to Bombay High Court, that means the industrialization has reduced Nag River to a cursed lady. This is a quotations by the Bombay High Courts. Okay, so Nag River to a cursed lady. Okay, so this is the Nag River. Okay, looks like a Nag. Okay, so Nag River is a river flowing through the city of Nagpur in Maharashtra, India. That means the Indian is country, the state of Maharashtra. Okay, uh, state Maharashtra, the city of Nagpur. So the Nag River is a river flowing through the city of Nagpur in Maharashtra is in India. Okay, so about Nag River. So what is the important for the Nag River? So some facts should be remembered for the prelims exams. So it is known for providing the etymology for the name Nagpur. Okay, so it is known for providing the etymology for the name Nagpur. So this is the important. So forming a part of the Kanha Pench. Okay, so forming a part of the Kanha Pench river systems. So it is that means the Nag River is the part of the Kanha Pench river systems. The Nag River originates. What's the Nag River originates in lava hills near Wadi. So near Wadi, a lava hills where originates a Nag River. Okay, so this is a very important. That means the here is the Nag rivers. Okay, looks like a Nag snake. Okay, okay. So this is a very important. And here is the also some facts should be remembered. That means the confluence point of the Nag and Poili rivers is near Pawangaon. Okay, Pawangaon is village names. Uh, So Nag and Pali rivers is near Bongaon. That means the confluence point of Nag and Pali rivers. Now the second thing is Nag and Pora rivers is near Titur. Okay, so Titur is the also place names. That means the Nag and Pora river is the confluence point. That means the Titur. Okay. Now third is the Nag and Kanha rivers. Okay, so it is near about what's the Swangi village. So these are the village names also and the place names. Okay, in the districts of Nagpur also. And Nag and Pali rivers confluence Pawangaon. Nag and Pora rivers is Titur, and the Nag and Kana rivers is near the Swangi village. So this is the very important place names and we should remember. Okay, so this is the very important. That means the Nag river is the Kana Pench part. Okay, and its originates lava hills near Wadi. So total conversations, these sessions about the Kargil's war and the Nag River. So we should remember this one. Okay. Now we will meet in next sessions, which is also for prelims booster, which is very important for the UPSC exams. Uh, so please, if you are like our efforts, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming notifications. Thank you. Have a nice day.